In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google in English when you're traveling. Whether you're exploring the picturesque streets of Paris or navigating the bustling cities of Tokyo, staying connected with familiar settings on your browser can make your trip a lot smoother. Let's dive right in and make sure your Google remains in English no matter where your adventures take you. First, open your Google browser. This is your hub for exploring the internet, so having it set in a language you're comfortable with is essential. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice three small dots stacked vertically, often referred to as the More menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. This action will unveil a drop-down menu, bringing a host of options into view. Within this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This section is where you can personalize your browsing experience to suit your needs, including changing language preferences. Once you're in the settings, keep your eyes on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Languages. This will take you to a new section dedicated entirely to managing language settings. In this Languages section, look for Preferred Languages. This is a pivotal area because it dictates the languages your browser will prioritize. For a seamless experience when traveling, ensure that English is at the top of this list. If English is there already, you're all set. But if it's missing or not in the right order, there's a simple fix we can apply. If English isn't in your list or needs repositioning, you'll need to add it. To do this, click on Add Languages. This will present you with a comprehensive list of languages. Scroll through or use the search function to quickly find English. Once you've located it, select English and then confirm your choice by clicking Add. After adding English, make sure it's placed at the very top of your preferred languages. This step ensures that your browser opts for English first, allowing you to navigate with ease, regardless of where you are in the world. And there you go, with these few simple steps, you've ensured that your Google browser will remain in English, keeping everything familiar and easy to use while you venture into new territories. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to explore the digital world confidently, no matter where you are. Safe travels and enjoy your journey with the comfort of fluency in your browser settings.